Wondering how to boost your home's curb appeal? Replacement windows are a great option. At WinChoice USA, we believe that your home should be your refuge. So, how can you transform it into the space of your dreams? First and foremost, if you want to change the look of your home, it's important to think about the style of window you need. With single and double hung options, architectural windows, casement windows, and more, there's something for everyone at WinChoice USA. Of course, it's also important to think about the way that color makes a difference in your home. From calming whites and grays to blues and greens that stand out, we can help you find the perfect color. Although the primary concern is curb appeal, you should also think about the way your windows function and how they can meet your needs. For example, windows that give a cool cross breeze can make a huge difference. Another huge benefit of having new windows installed is that your home becomes much more energy efficient, saving you money on your monthly bills and keeping the weather outside where it belongs. At WinChoice USA, no matter the reason you'd like to replace your windows, you can count on us to go above and beyond to help you find the option that meets your needs. As a veteran-owned and operated company, we're proud to offer free estimates and limited lifetime warranties on our work. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, and you can rest assured that we'll get the job done right. Backed by over 4 decades of experience, we're confident that whether you're looking to boost your curb appeal, update the look of your home, or make your living space more energy efficient, we can help. Contact us today.